Want the convenience of Apple Pay but stuck being under 18? Let's unlock your digital wallet. First, the key is family sharing. A parent or guardian needs to set this up on their Apple device in Settings. Then tap on their name, followed by family sharing. Next, invite the under 18 to the family group. Ensure purchase sharing is enabled so the adult can manage the payment method. Now, there are two main paths. The first involves a debit card linked directly to the family sharing organizer's account. The parent adds their debit card into the wallet. The second is using Apple Cash Family. The parent can send money to the child's Apple Cash card directly from their own Apple Cash account. Parental controls are crucial. The parent can set spending limits and receive notifications for transactions made by the child. This is found within the family sharing settings. With Apple Cash Family, the child can then use Apple Pay anywhere that accepts contactless payments, online or in stores, but with a safety net managed by the parent. So, to recap, family sharing, a linked card or Apple Cash Family, and strict parental controls are your pathway to Apple Pay freedom before your 18th birthday.